Hey doctors, welcome back to the Gulfie Dentist online coaching. So now I'm going to show you how to access the Gulfie Dentist lectures in detail. Now once you have been granted the access, you should be able to go to the website. Okay, so let me come back to the home page. So again, remember to click once. Okay, so you see all these buttons over here. Those are the places where your classes are. So DH stands for dental hygienist, GD stands for general dentist, DA for dental assistant, and SM is for those who enroll only for the study material package. So I'm going to explain both the packages, what all you have and what you don't. So the general dentist category can go and click on the general dentist. Okay. So here what you're going to have is first you're going to have the Gulfie dentist journey. The 2 months or 4 months, however you are planning, the journey you're going to have. And then you can start with the lectures. And after that, you can start doing the PDFs. And now that depends on how much you want to learn more or how much is your current understanding. So I'll walk you through one by one on the website. Okay, so when you click on the GD button where your classes are, you will come to this page. Now here, first, I want you to actually download the study timetable, okay, here, and you have to actually print it out and stick it on your board, okay, or anywhere on the wall where you actually see it. So this is the general dentist. You will see, hopefully this video you'll be watching here itself. And then this is your lectures. Okay, so we start with each subject. You have endo, operative dentistry, prosthodontics, and then followed by the orthodontics and pedodontics. Now again here, like I said, the lecture for ortho and pedo is the same. Okay, so if you click here and if you click here, you will find the same lectures. You will end up in the same lectures. Just I splitted it up because I wanted to put a separate PDF for the Q&A folder, the dental decks, and also the practice MCQs it goes to a different link. Okay, so rest all the folders are different for ortho and pedo, but the lectures are same. Now same is for oral surgery and pharmacology. The lectures are mixed up, and you will end up in the same lecture whether you click on the oral surgery lecture or the pharmacology lecture. Again, I splitted it up into separate two boxes because I wanted to put the Q&A, the dental decks, all the PDFs and the MCQs separately. Okay, so this is how you will be doing pharmacology, oral path, radiology, and community dentistry. And extra, what you'll have is the just the ethics part. So we don't have any lecture for that, but it's just questions you have to go through. That's it. Okay, so after you finish all the lectures, and then you directly jump into the practice MCQs. So before we didn't have detailed explanation for the practice MCQs, which is why you had to go through all the PDFs over here. Now, if you are a doctor who had taken the study material package, you have to start with the PDFs. Now, you won't be having access to the lectures, which is mean you don't have a grasp on the theory. So I want you to start working on the PDFs question to question, point to point, so that you have a grasp on the theory first before you start practicing the MCQs. Now, in case you want to upgrade the plan to the full course and access the lectures and skip the PDF reading part, you can contact me. Okay, so as for the general category, everyone, you can actually skip reading the PDFs. You can finish the lectures, do the practice MCQs. Okay, and when you're going to do the study group discussion, that is when you're going to come back and refer to all these PDFs if necessary. Okay, if you have a question and doubt, you can come and refer these PDFs and then find out the answer. Okay, so that is pretty much how we are going to do the Gulfie lectures. Now I will also be talking about the other two parts, that is how to do the practice MCQs, which is again on the Dentalo site, and how to go about with the study groups, how to do it through. Okay, so I have covered everything that you need to know in here. Please don't get confused. Okay, now few more things I think I've missed out is in prosthodontics. Okay, like we have put it here, you have the CD lectures, FPD lectures, RPD lectures. So those are I have splitted it separately. So CD, that is the complete denture itself, is 1.5 hours. FPD is 1.5, and removable partial denture is a total of 1 hour lecture. So you will actually find the CD lecture here, and on the laptop or computer you should find on the right hand side the FPD and the RPD lecture. Okay, I just didn't want to insert two more columns for the namesake, so I just put it here. Now for those checking it on your phone, you should be able to see these two lectures when you scroll down right before the revision. Okay, somewhere here you should be able to see your the FPD and RPD lectures. Please don't miss it out. FPD and RPD, they do ask a lot of questions from that, so don't miss those lectures. Okay, do finish those. Now other additional PDFs I have added below are they're basically standard textbooks for which you can download in your computer and then start reading from it when you are doing the discussion group. Okay, like I said, do your research, read more about it, just not from the whatever we have provided here. You can do your research, learn more about it, and help others find the answer, or get a good understanding of why the question answers is so and so. Now, a few things here, you don't actually want this. This was all our previous edition. Okay, so we used to have the mock exams here. Now, it wouldn't hurt to go through, but you don't have to, because we have the new mock exams on the Dentalo site. I'm just not removing it for a reason now. Okay. So even before hard, the candidates and all these had to do a lot of files from here, but now you don't have to do because it's all explained in the lecture, and then you have it rest of it on the practice MCQs. So those who don't have the access to the lecture, that is those who are doing the study material package, please make sure you do all these files. These are actually really big files. You need a lot of time to go through the study materials and read it through, but it is best to do it if you want to clear in the first attempt. So that's it about starting with the Gulfie dentist lectures. Now one more thing, I want to see a picture of you studying using your laptop or your phone and then your notes. Okay, I'll send a few samples of my previous batch students. This is just to keep you guys motivated for each other, and for me to know that you all have actually started studying. So click a picture and do send it.